This is a 2012 Ford F-150. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Don Jenkins Carolina Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3217 North Main Street in Fuquay-Varina.